How to play pickleball in under 90 seconds. Save this video as a reference. Let's go.
Whoever is standing closest to Seattle serves first. They stand behind the baseline and serve underhand. Serve to the opposite diagonal square, fully past the non-volley zone, commonly known as the kitchen. You can toss the ball and serve, but you gotta contact the ball under your belly button and paddle tip below your wrist. You can also drop the ball and let it bounce, then hit it however the heck you want. The returner needs to let the ball bounce, then they can hit the ball back anywhere. The serving team now needs to let the ball bounce again. This is called the two-bounce rule before they hit it. From this point on, volleys are fair. A volley just means hitting the ball before it bounces. Once the ball is bounced twice, you can always volley as long as you're standing fully outside the no-volley zone. If you volley, you can't then step into the non-volley zone or fall into the non-volley zone. You gotta stay completely outside of it. But if the ball bounces, you can hit while in there, no problem. So you can go into the non-volley zone, you just can't volley in there. Lines are in, except the NVZ line when you're serving. You can't let the ball bounce twice. Only one player can touch the ball per side. You can't pass it to each other. This ain't volleyball. You can only win a point in your serve. You keep serving until you lose a rally. If you served and won the rally, you win a point. Then you switch sides with your partner and serve again. When you lose a rally, then your partner serves, and they keep serving until you lose a rally. Then it's a side out, which means it's now time for the other team to serve. The person on the right serves first. You say the score every time before you serve.
1, 2, 1.
You say your team scored, then the other team score, and whether you're the first server in that current side out or the second server. Whoever is standing in the right square when it's a side out is the first server. For the very first service, in order to make it fair, since you can only win a point in your serve, the first serving team waives their first service opportunity, and so the game starts with 0-0-2 or 0-0 second server. It's first to 11 points, win by 2.